Sam George uni chasere Kwasea se me ka kire wo say DsTV ne nya wo papa dia ena enye wo wofa dia
enti de omo ti Jonas no ko kwa pa in fact wadwa live na ni abrese krodo wo betie Sam George so e fa ntokwa na Sam George e DsTV e ko at the end of the day no e mfa so bia maso no Jonas ne wo fu pa wo kire mza Sam George de se mahama beje nu Kwasea Sam George edi muntintuman Sam George edi muntintuman na enye we nti na eto aba ma Sam George enye DsTV nti na eto ma Sam George Twene abaye kana adwo ma nkyere mu no akyere wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say need obe like video no drama boss subscribe button sabe click notification confirmators abi tabe kyere wadwen dia ama me e wo comment section me so baswa no wa share video mo for so enya bi ahye etu be kaya ye to wi Sam George ba ye ade oni nkanta ka ye e data bundle o kas o memo data bundle bo aba form o ma no ni telecommunication network operators no mu go back and forth go beef any ade monte so munye say sa the end of the day no ebe de nti so bia ama o na emom no bundle akese no 4 million de no no nko na de bi kan ba wa motor 1 city 2 city de crash bibia hwie ya ma ba ye just kese no 4 million no na de bi kan na se no kra no Sam George edin kan afeli wo ho no and watching them was on DsTV before I didn't talk about South so. What I say? And Sam George ni pe bi oba abem nanka ade obi ahwefiri no no eye galamsey issue how be say address it and afi LGBTQ plus bill no because all know that they go to parliament a good for the person Sam George and go for bill you need be or go for bill if free buy all know that they go to parliament a good for don sign by force Sam George bill e go why what they bill no buy like you hear say ga buy you know and ga say pushy baby go for friends afabra na kayansin sign because we call it more absolute majority or there's nothing like opposition nothing can oppose you it move to one sign and the year wait executive order as in sign be come on sign but Sam George buy no jatana da no pussycat what does here or post we jatana the first we or father just in fe or father in fe what does here Emma want me can guarantee won we the energy on the father guarantee no wajai ni nyina no DSTV for kun tokon hunu e mo ni DSTV crash starting tokon na Multichoice ekas oh Sam George ade a ye betima ya abo ne se ye be maintain prices no na mo no packages no e na be upgrade no Sam George ka say no dey on tiase.
I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction.
No. Oh no more between to the point say on better a boy nankasa so a boy one again for you ni hu no. O mo tete boy no so.
Last week, I invited the senior leadership of Multichoice Ghana to a formal dialogue on DsTV's subscription pricing in Ghana. The meeting addressed public concerns about affordability, value for money, and fairness in service delivery. I made it clear the ministry's expectation that pricing structures must be responsive to Ghana's economic context. I have a meeting scheduled for tomorrow, Friday, even though it's a public holiday, with the Ghana team and their South African counterparts, the management from South Africa. They arrived tonight to agree on a way forward on the issues raised. The outcomes will be shared with the public in due course. This engagement reflects our commitment to regulatory accountability and our resolve to ensure that digital services in Ghana remain fair, accessible, and responsive to the needs of citizens. I make you one promise. I won't leave tomorrow's meeting without securing a drop in the price of DsTV. That is a solemn promise I make to you.
But at the end of the day, agreement na Multichoice e person Sam George e kwa Sam George ka say on tiase and no one na Sam George e be tiase.
The new arrangements, effective from 1st October 2025, are as follows. For those who are on the Paddy Bouquet subscription, you currently pay 59 Ghana cedis. When you pay 59 Ghana cedis, you get upgraded automatically to access.
I'm on no crab make an announcement. And say na kwala say a promotion. Cause I know that at the end of the day no, a board now but packages no are be upgraded. But say na a promotion. Just a DSTV for na omuma Ghana call you say you be call December be call Christmas more. A company be omu run some kind of 3-month promotion be from now to New Year na end na expire. It is a promotion be ana Multichoice run and na some really be an enum. There's a new na comedian as well. And Twene Jonas ni ko kwa pai. ono onua mo me journalist o ma dwa pa na na twene ene Sam George de o ma peki kuma dwa pa de a Sam George
so what Sam George 9 months in opposition odi abusuan hwe kwan of so a reply Joy News your friend say presenter wa bra obisa na question about DsTV asemi aye kan e wi a bedi nkopo.
It's simple for me because I pay, you pay. Yesterday, when my subscriptions expired, if indeed expired yesterday, I would have paid for Compa Plus 570, what you just read. Tomorrow, when I show up to pay, I'll still pay 570. What I get is additional channels. It's the reason why you were careful in your choice of words. Increase value offer and not price reduction, is it not?
The Ghana Education Service will need to do a lot more in comprehension in our basic schools, because if this is your understanding, it's a big source of worry for us as a country.
Yesterday,
no.
Honorable Sam George, enye arrogance ni dibu mayo ti. Arrogance kwa senka na twi ejimi meboa. Ejimi moroso. Minister, sa media we so no. Yen regulate you. Nobody regulates that. Because yen ye di sika akokoto data. And you see a better TikTok into a beer team regulate. Okay? And ye bekan ye betray adwene. Ye bekan me adwene natural. Tie. Minister, minim say a one person now like a comprehension. One person now like a comprehension. And you join news presenter. O see. Me to ana me kura sa chewing gum yenu. Ana me say me to chewing gum we 5 cedis a. Eso me 1 month. Ana o say o ne bo edene. Na ye ton 7 cedis. Ne bo edene. Entu be ma ya den ateso. Ana wo ko na no makokotena se. Wo gina ototo ayampia na wo ko no mkotena se no mo se o. Chenga we de 7 cedis na na de be mamo. Nanso oto we na ye de we be den e be ka ho. The same services can say so. Ye do be ka ho. Now here's the case. After 1 month no, we are say but we no some. Enti ko ebe na me fa so a. Obi kan kire Sam George say me say na adwene wo form. Or lack a comprehension. Or no lack a comprehension. And how can say Kokoti the kakabins 9 months in a government any. Sam George. Hunyanza. Me say medical say media we so be.
Okay, anyway, I score or say Kwasea Quensin. Yes, shout out to Kwasea Quensin. Minister is here was your answer. And to obviously Sam George is to attempt no chance to say DsTV. Sam George, who need chasere? Kwasea say me catch there say DsTV ni nya papa dia. And then nya wo fa dia. And then nya Ghana ban dia. A private company. And to me ko kan kire o so monte price so. Into one so my base expose you say price no obi na atwa ba no was it DsTV for base expose you big time and trunk one say omuntiment price bia so price ya omogina na omogina a promotion omo ye na every year and Sam George afa ho kude abedada NDC for no magimi say oh ono akwa for so DsTV for amomate amo the more value channels abeka subscription no DsTV for say a intro. And Sam George be an every year be a sa no moye. Or mama promotion. Every company be a give promotion every year headed towards the Christmas. Now me catch us every 1 minute be a buying bus and Munyamisha Bruni. And trunk one and this year buying. Stevie Yames say mama has increased prison food for
Sam George, there's an house okay. My boss, it was 31st December. Increase of DsTV. Not say no sano. I thought I was a permanent to Menana. No, my why da video for and water energy ya obenancy avide. 31st increase of DsTV. Oh, Menana. Modio. Hey, politics if we. ABC even prices no grano. Omanti so. channel no mudi bika ho. Ave the adiachi house has a December 31st increase of DsTV. How? Why? Are they boy?
But for you to all the time insult presidents, insult chiefs, insult whoever comes your way and thinking that you are superior and nobody else, we don't think that we need an apology from him because he cannot offer. He cannot offer because it is too expensive for him to offer. So we think that he's gone beyond repairs. And it is in this country that some will become a minister. Any other place, if you speak this way, I'm not sure the office you are holding, your president will allow you to sit in that office any longer.
So is the minority pushing for his removal? Is that what you're asking for? Is the minority pushing for the communications minister removal?
Yeah, we think that his communication, his actions, his this do not reflect the presidency. It is un-Ghanaian on his part. It is un-Ghanaian. It doesn't show maturity. So if he wants to keep his position, then he should rethink again. Other than that, we think that his attitude and his actions and all whatever he says, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama should look at him again because he's actually disgracing his communication ministry.
Kwame, my auntie on one own words first, means some can first, and so by press conference.
I mean, why do we insult people in the faces at the point where we think we have power? Eh?
The time best.
And no one near Kokoti when people ni munyina, one more hand. One munyina wherever. One more year Kokoti, one munyina way.
I ajigwa afedi, and
today, some of them cannot even buy fuel. Buy any how 8 years, yet name we are toying fuel. Ya maufi amesre weduane. You understand?
Yeah, no,
and we will continue to live by this. Please let us be cautious of the things we say, and let us not do things as if said there is no tomorrow.
I mean, and you're not between for
in my office, and I'm clear in my mind that meeting will not come to an end without a reduction, an agreed reduction in the price. I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade it to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade it to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want in the price. I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade it to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction. And so you see, if the honorable minister for communication understands comprehension, these are your words.
Yes, on
Sam George must go to KG1 and learn comprehension in English. Say a drafting at the 200 he should be able to understand the sentences.
Oh, but
these are your own words and your own statement.
But you have seen
the South African authorities try and say what more modelize your in such a way say what you have for a particular package yet the next higher package and that is not what we are asking for. We are asking for a total reduction in prices. These are your own words.
KG1 for Madaroma. KG1 deal from KG1 from
Uncle KG1 Uncle Suya comprehension. These are your own words. These are English language.
KG1 from Pacho Adaroma and they're from Pa.
But why do we sit in a country? I will be every say of the young minister just so a superior human being than any other person. Why?
Kwame.
The will catch you say South Africa authorities need try so obey and yet no near pay and yet no near here. These are emphatic words from the minister.
Okay, good.
Okay. We and walk of factory because you know so Ghana for ne basho who predodo Sam George predodo. Let us tell him the truth, say or predodo, he's not the only minister in this country. Okay? We pray now we nya result to be anfa Ghanaians no. The first option na South African authority no and recommend it omu propose it no. And no na wakofa wechi a wo de abre. Meanwhile, you came back telling us in a press conference that is not what we need. So today, if you say this, and the average Ghanaian no gets you on the phone, the journalist gets you on the phone, and they are questioning you, said these are your own words. You are telling us that we should go back and learn comprehension. Now, what is your understanding of the same words you use, the same statement you made? Vis-a-vis the Newodiamaye. Please, we are a serious nation, and some of us are serious people. Say about politics, Nimubia, Ebia Kayena, and Yanumujina, the same status.
Kwame,
the politics in your behavior, Ebia Kayena, at the same level, and no.
Kwame, you're from this angle. On one in my say. Sa package way and a sign yama way no me say minjin tum because enya no ne yehia say omobete bo no so e yon wan asem no kan then owie ye no now obebisa won say after say oye oka sansem we wie no meeting be na course nkomo ben e no mudi ye ensem be no moka wachire ade a ono a minister ne say dabi adie we na nkrofo na propose
mesi
minjin tum
afedi ye den wakoje atu
after so ye meeting we wie me pese me twadwon ba biskaka
metie minim ba bia wo keka ko
after so ye meeting we wie ye no
adie na si akire
a ade na ono ase onjin tum na
afedi wasa akoje atu
sisi wakoje atum
esa de be hye ye ne ye ko
esa de be hye ye ko ka kire ye nse
Yanyin by force. Yanyin to Mudia, we do understand comprehension.
And on Siciano, on all your damage control. The
Minister for Communications, you see, I want to spokesperson let them have more choice.
So he's not doing damage control for them. Because honestly,
what has happened?
Yes,
you are now the spokesperson for Multichoice. Who defend it? Multi-choice packages or Modia.
Yeah, I will not defend it.
Why is the minister defending that?
Yes. Because
why are you defending Multichoice in this state? Are you women here?
Wonderful. Because who say package you umpe?
What can it clearly? Kwame Sabo voice ni bi voice ni.
Yeah.
What was the one part there? What committees in now? What more proposal there two tables? What say umpe? The open na ne say yente board. About the saying a few months down the line or weeks down the line. What back? I fed here all of a sudden. At the end now what was say umpe? What ya tum? What you tum we and what they say Ghana for ne con at all instance.
And would defend it.
And I would defend it. Minister.
An agreed reduction in the price. I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction in the price. I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction. I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction. And
after making this emphatic statement,
that is not what we want.
That is not what we want.
A price reduction.
That is comprehension. Comprehension no see in Kwasea. We are deducing the understandings from this particular statement I will make here.
And you know, Kwame, but
about the same all of a sudden. Yajiatum
for old price no. Any new price no. But me last one because any na Ghana for any DH3. Last one na I don't know. What I'm say last one no. One price so.
No. Premium package you cry the one touch in the cry.
Yeah.
And no all catch say one more buy raffles. Until we win raffle now. One more do make UK. No akọ Premier League match. Ghana ni bia best so person ko UK.
And yeah, no na Ghana for bargain for.
No, we didn't bargain for that.
Don't
you see a pen.
And yeah na Ghana for bargain for. And you know what to make a and say Ghana for do any DH because on person almost EPL, on person almost La Liga,
Champions League, La Liga, Bundesliga, any the Kikaka.
Sa particular 5.1. We know Yanti Sabuano so. Sa
no want so. One want so.
So why do you then now tell me that at the end of my so? What do you even say? Oh, all the bouquet out the egusuna, I don't know, me say mempe. Nemom no mepe the last one na ohonum na enyama shem no ohona me mepe. Ohonum no sukwa so na Ghana fo didi ekire mo. Ohon sukwa so no ya nte so. Why do you then now tell me that ya tete ade no so?
So the why you mama e wo comment section. How you Penyah Broke Media.